Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you a note-taking system I've been working on. It's using the Telegram bot as the front end and the Notion page as the back end for the data storage. So I have created several pages here for my weight, shopping list, and the memos. They are currently empty, and let's see how it works. So we can simply send quick message or voice note to this bot, and all of the data would be synced to the Notion database. So for example, imagine you are out shopping and you think of items you want to add to your list. So we can just remind me to buy some apples. Also buy several bananas. We can also text add blackberries to my list. Okay, now they are done. Let's check the shopping list page. Yeah, they are all here. And also, for example, you want to keep track of your weight. So maybe in the gym, we want to record our weight. Like we can directly see, record my body weight 75 kilogram. So it could take several seconds. Yeah, finished. Let's check the other page. My weight. Okay, it's here, 75, and the date is today. And um, also, if something just come into your mind and you want to take a quick note, for example, if you are meeting and it's not a good time to speak, so we can just write to the board. If it just occurs to me that maybe I can add A to B, make C work by blah 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 blah, and then this should go to the memos page. Yeah, it's here. So I also added my the Google direction API to this bot. For example, we can ask him the subway information. For example, I'm living in Children and I'm going to work. Then I can ask check out from Children to Messe Stadt West. Boom! It gives to me the bus information. I'm going to take the 190 and it's coming in 10 minutes. So yeah, that's it. How do you guys think? I think it feels like magic, and it makes the whole note-taking feel effortless and smooth. And yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment below, and see you next time. Bye.